welcome to my channel. Welcome to another world. How you guys are doing? I hope you are fine. If you are fine there, I am fine here. Welcome once again to my channel. Yes, I am adorable one. Today I am going to do face exfoliating. I am going to exfoliate my face. Yeah. And so please, if you have been watching me and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope you like my hairstyle. Like my hairstyle. Yes, so that's what I want to do now. So let me start packing my hair. Okay, I'm going to clean my face first. Just wash your face with a mild soap, okay? Do not use harsh soap to wash your face because of the peeling solution, okay? Just use mild soap. Then after that, dry your face very well. Do not allow any trace of water found on your face so it will not get your face burned, okay? Yes. Okay. Now, remove my earrings. The ordinary peeling solution, the AHA 10% and BHA 2%. Okay, so that is the product that I want to use. Alright. So this is how it looks like. When you apply it, you are going to leave it for 10 minutes. Yes, that is the instruction given that we should use 10 minutes. Okay. And do it in the evening. Okay, do it in the evening, except we are not going out. Like me, I am not going out. So I apply mine in the morning, but do apply it in the evening, okay, for safety purpose. And so please, if you just come across my channel, you're welcome. Please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay? Don't forget your neck. Alright? Subscribe to my channel because I know we have a lot that will be coming our way. So leave it for 10 minutes. Alright? Yes. So just leave it for 10 minutes. Alright? Yes. You can exfoliate your face maybe twice in a week or once in a week. Okay? Mine, I do exfoliate my face like 2 times in a week, at times a week at times once in a week, at times once in 2 weeks. Clean your face with your face napkin or towel, okay, before you wash it off. Make sure you clean it very well. Alright? Alright. No, we also have maintenance on the topic there. So I'm going to use my face mask. I ordered this face mask. So I have already prepared my mask gel. So whenever I want to use, I just use it. This is my mask gel, okay? This is my face toner, okay? Toner. You know, reason we apply toner on our faces or our face is to balance our pH and also to get root of the products, because at the end of the day I discovered that even washing my face, the product was not totally gone out from my face. There was some that remains, so my mask is ready. My mask is ready. I just soak it for 10 minutes. Okay, you can order it or you can buy the they already made a mask, okay, in different types, different products. You can see for vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and so forth and so on, okay? So I prefer to prepare it myself or do it myself. So I just order the mask in pack. And whenever I want to use it, I've already prepared my face. I've already prepared my mask gel. Do not forget your neck. I'm using the gel to apply on my neck and some part of my face that the mask couldn't get to, like my ear and my neck as well. My hand, I also apply it on my hand too. I'll leave it for 10 minutes. So it is 10 minutes. I will apply my serum. I will apply hyaluronic acid serum. Yes, that is the serum that I want to use. If I exfoliate myself, I like using hyaluronic acid chemical exfoliation, but if I'm doing physical exfoliation, I like using vitamin C. I like applying vitamin C. Then after that, I will use my eye cream. This eye cream I often forgot to use. Thank God for today. Just apply a little. And after that, I'll go in with my face moisturizer. And so please, once again, welcome to my channel. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so you won't miss any of my video. Then I will go in with my face oil. Can see my face glowing. Can see my face. Alright, I'll go in with my sunscreen. I'm not going out, so I will just apply a little. But if you're going out, please do apply it, okay? Good amount, so it won't get your face burned. Just as I said, do it in the night, in the evening, as in PM, okay? Then I will use my lips balm, okay? I will prepare this balm. This balm, I made it by myself. All right. Bye. So, see you